Hi, I'm Alex from Brisant Secure, and we are very excited to launch Ultion Smart next week at the Fit Show. Very excited. And to build up to it, I'm going to show you 4 of the fantastic features that it's got. You start first off with the app on the phone. You see, it's locked. There's my device. Unlocking. We've got this set up on the Bunkhouse AV tool, so I simply open the door. This will work with any multi-point. In fact, it'll work with anything that takes a euro. There's the latch going back on. The door is now there. An auto lock is about to kick in. There it is. That is now fully secure. I never need to worry about the door being locked again. On this side, I've kept the black handle because it ties in nicely, sweetered you might say, with the black letter plate, and it also suits the style of property that we're in at the minute. And obviously you've got your Ultion 3-star high security so secure cylinder with the key back up. So today, as well as showing these features, we're going to show the auto unlock proximity. So we're about to jump in the car and drive 300 yards away, and then we're going to do a little spin around, come back, show you it, acknowledging that I'm here and in the area. It will then pick up me on Bluetooth as I walk up to the door, and it'll let me walk in. Okay, so you'll notice we're now in Warren's car. We're going to demo the auto unlock zone and the feature. Now this is using a very clever system that uses both GPS on your phone and your Bluetooth. So on the GPS it'll know that we are within 300 meters of the lock. We'll then get a notification on our phone saying we've entered the auto unlock zone, and as we pull up outside the lock, I'll pick myself up on Bluetooth, and it will then automatically unlock the door for me so I can just walk straight through. So, we're in the auto unlock zone. You can now walk up to the door, totally hands-free, no phone, no touch, no nothing. Open the door. And on the inside, the door again, it's holding itself on the latch now. Here it goes, and it will lock itself in a couple of seconds. So never again you need to worry about, is the door locked? Did I lock the door? What's happening with this, that, and the other? It's locked. One more feature to show you is the twist assist. So rather than having to fully manually turn the thumb turn, or if you're struggling with thumb turns a little bit, that kind of thing, you can literally tap it, winds the lock back out, open the door,